Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world and all its fascinating creatures. I'm your host, David, and I'm excited to share another incredible story with you today. As we take our first steps into the wild, let's travel to the island nation of Sri Lanka, where a remarkable animal has been making headlines. The golden jackal, a species often misunderstood and underappreciated, is finally getting the attention it deserves. These sleek and agile canines are not only an important part of their ecosystem, but also possess some surprising traits that will challenge your perceptions. Recent research has revealed that golden jackals in Sri Lanka's urban areas have adapted to survive alongside humans. They've developed a versatile diet that includes everything from small mammals and birds to human food waste. But what's even more intriguing is their social behavior. Golden jackals are known to be vocal, making a range of noises from howls to grunts, and even bird-like sounds. However, in suburban areas, they seem to have adopted a more stealthy approach, avoiding confrontations with stray dogs by keeping a low profile. Despite their declining numbers in urbanized regions, golden jackals continue to thrive in Sri Lanka's national parks. And as we explore the global significance of this species, we find that they play a crucial role in maintaining ecosystem balance. By preying on small mammals and removing carrion, golden jackals help regulate populations and keep their environments healthy. But here's a surprising twist. While golden jackals are losing ground in parts of their traditional range, they're expanding into new territories. They've been spotted moving northward into Europe, facilitated by climate change, landscape changes, and the decline of competing species like wolves. As we delve deeper into the world of golden jackals, we're reminded that there's still so much to learn about these incredible animals. And with initiatives like World Jackal Day, conservationists are working tirelessly to dispel myths and promote a greater understanding of their importance. So, let's keep exploring and uncovering the secrets of the natural world. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. As we continue our journey through the natural world, we find ourselves in South Africa, where a tale of environmental tragedy is unfolding. The majestic lesser flamingo, with its distinctive pink feathers, has abandoned one of its last few breeding sites in Africa due to the devastating effects of raw sewage. Located outside the historic diamond mining town of Kimberley, Camphor's Dam was once a thriving haven for these remarkable birds. But years of untreated sewage spilling into the water have rendered it toxic, forcing the flamingos to flee. The consequences are dire, with conservationists warning that the loss of this breeding site has worsened the plight of the lesser flamingo, which is already in steep decline. As we delve deeper into this story, we find that the problem of sewage pollution is not unique to Camphor's Dam. In fact, it's a widespread issue across South Africa, where many treatment plants are in disarray. The impact on the environment and wildlife is staggering. A 2021 study found that sewage threatens aquatic ecosystems across a vast area of the planet, and the failure to address this problem has far-reaching consequences. The lesser flamingo, with its specialized diet of blue-green algae, is particularly vulnerable to changes in its habitat. These birds are fussy about where they breed, and the loss of Camphor's Dam as a viable site has significant implications for their survival. As conservation biologist Tanya Anderson notes, flamingos play a pivotal role in maintaining the water ecosystems of our wetlands. The disappearance of these birds from Camphor's Dam is a stark reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the importance of preserving our natural world. As we consider the plight of the lesser flamingo, we're reminded that the consequences of environmental neglect are far-reaching and devastating. The failure to protect our planet's precious wildlife and ecosystems has significant implications for our own well-being and the health of our planet. It's a sobering thought, and one that we must take to heart as we strive to mitigate the effects of human activity on the natural world. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. We've had an incredible journey so far, exploring the wonders of our natural world, and now it's time to wrap up with a thought-provoking story that highlights the importance of conservation. You might have seen them on social media or in videos. Adorable Asian small-clawed otters playing, swimming, and charming their way into people's hearts. But behind those cute faces lies a complex issue: the thriving exotic pet trade. These animals are being taken from their natural habitats, often smuggled across countries, and sold to unsuspecting buyers who have no idea about the harm they're causing. A recent study used DNA tracing to uncover the geographical origin of captive Asian small-clawed otters in Japan. The results were startling. Many of these otters were found to have originated from Thailand, despite paperwork claiming otherwise. This not only highlights the lack of regulation in the exotic pet trade, but also raises concerns about animal welfare and conservation. As top predators, Asian small-clawed otters play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. They control prey populations, maintain water quality, and serve as indicators of environmental health. But when they're removed from their habitats, it can have far-reaching consequences for the entire ecosystem. The story also sheds light on the darker side of human nature, our desire to possess and control wildlife, often without considering the consequences. It's a stark reminder that our actions have real-world impacts on the creatures we share this planet with. So, what can we do? Firstly, it's essential to educate ourselves and others about the risks of exotic pet trade and the importance of conservation. We must support organizations working tirelessly to protect these animals and their habitats. And when we encounter wildlife, whether in person or online, let's appreciate them from a distance, respecting their place in the wild. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep exploring your natural world.